Hello Jeja Indonesia, my name is Khansa. I like learn to Pomse, so I want to share about Pomse tutorial. Today we are going to do Taegeuk some jump or tree. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, and comment down below. And then you can follow my Instagram, can ask me anything about Pomse training, and okay, let's get started.
Move your left foot and low block with left hand. Right foot, front kick landed in the front stand with 2 punches right and left hand. Turn around with your right foot in the walking stance with right hand low block. Left foot, front kick landed in the front stance and 2 punches left and right hand. Move forward 2 in front of the room and 2 walking stance with the left leg in front and your right hand loose knife and strike. Step forward once more, and this time your left hand does knife and strike and your right foot is forward in the walking stance. Move to the left side with your left leg forward and 2 back stance and a knife hand block. Move your left foot forward and punch with your right hand. Now you're going to repeat the same things on other side. Right foot forward on the back stance, then right hand knife block. Move your right foot forward with your left hand punch. Turn into the front of the room with your left leg in front in the walking stance and your right hand doing inside block. Doing same things forward with your right foot forward and your left hands doing inside block. Now you are going to turn the way around so that you are doing left foot forward with left hands, doing low blocks in the walking stance. This part just like the beginning. You are going to do front kick with your right leg, landing in the front stance with 2 punches with your right hand first and then your left hand. Turn all the way around with your right foot forward with right hands, doing low blocks in the walking stance. You are going to do front kick with your left leg and then 2 punches with your left hands first and then your right hands. Turn towards the back of the room with your left leg forward. Low blocks with your left hands, right hand punch. Step forward doing once again. Low blocks with your right hands and punch with your left hands. Left foot on front kick, walking stance. Left hands block and right hand punch. The last thing is you are gonna do right foot front kick, walking stance, right hands block and left hand punch and kick.